Exploitation, Crypto 101 module, inside Complete Beginner Path on TryHackMe. There's a little bit of maths. Maths. That's come up relatively often in cryptography. The modulo operator. Pretty much every programming language implements this operator or has it available through a library. When you need to work with large numbers, use a programming language. Python is good for this as integers are unlimited in size, and you can easily get an interpreter. When learning division for the first time, you were probably taught to use reminders in your answers. So X reminder or modulo Y is the reminder when X is divided by Y, right? Examples: 25 or modulo 5 is 0 because 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. So it divides exactly with no reminder. But 23 then modulo 6 is 5 because 23 does not divide evenly by 6. There would be a reminder of 5 because 23 divided by 6 is 4, which is 18. And then 23 minus 18 is 5. And there we have the modulo result of 23 modulo 6. Cool. An important thing to remember about modulo is that it's not reversible. If I gave you an equation x modulo 5 equals 4, there are infinite values of x that will be valid. Answer the questions below. What's 30 modulo 5? This is 0, right? Is 6. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. What's 25 divided by 7? This is 4. Because we have 25 divided by, I think I said again, 25 divided by 7. What's 25 modulo 7? 25 divided by 7, it's equal with 3, which is 21. And then the rest of 25 minus 21 is 4. What's this number modulo this number? Okay, for this we will modulo calculator. And here the dividend is 118613,842. 1186 13,842, right? 118613,842, 118613,842, and 1991. 1991. We calculate this. 3565. 3565. Cool. And here we can see the result, right? Divide A by B to find the remainder, which is the division of these two numbers are this. This is the rest. Confirm the answer satisfying the equation. And then the result multiplied by the number and then plus 3565, which is the rest, equals this, our initial number. Cool.